Hello and welcome to this Zipper Agent tutorial. In this video, we're talking about how to set up advanced filters. For most of this tutorial, we'll be looking at the contact list page, but setting up advanced filters on any of the opportunity pages is very similar. Think of an advanced filter like a specialized narrow search that you can save and come back to. As you add more contacts or opportunities, the filter will keep finding the ones that meet your conditions. It's helpful to formulate your filter conditions as sentences with one of the following verbs before building the filter. A field equals a value, or a field contains a value, where field defines the category of information you're looking for, and value is the exact word, phrase, or label that you're looking for. For example, let's say I wanted to build a filter that would find all the contacts with the tag active deals. In this case, the field would be tag, because that's the broad category of information I'm looking for. I'm looking for a special value inside the category tags. That specific special value is the phrase active deals. Now I need to decide on the right verb. A filter built with equals will search for the categories that contain exactly the value you put in. In this case, the filter tags equals active deals will find the contacts with only active deals in the tag. If a contact is tagged as active deals and something else, say newsletter, this filter won't find it because the value does not exactly equal active deals. I want to find all the contacts tagged as active deals regardless of whether or not they're also tagged as something else. For this, I need the verb contains. The filter tags contains active deals will find the contacts that have active deals as a tag, whether or not they also have other tags. Now that I know exactly what I want to find, let's build the filter. First, click the plus sign next to Advanced Filters. Now name the filter. I'll call this one Active Deals Tag. Next, I need to choose if all or any of the following conditions are true. This choice is more important when you're building a filter with multiple conditions, which we'll talk about in a minute. Because I only have one condition for this filter, I'm leaving this menu on all. Remember the sentence I wrote earlier. A field contains a value. In this case, tags contains active deals. Now it's time to put that sentence into the filter. This drop-down menu lets me specify the field. I'll select tags, but you can see that I can filter contacts by a large number of fields. Next is the verb. Because I want to find all the contacts with active deals, regardless of whether or not they have other tags, I'll select contains. Last, I type my value into this bar. To put the filter into effect, click Save and Apply. The new filter appears here in the Advanced Filters section. If you need to edit it, click the pencil icon. To view the filter, just click on its name. There is no need to update this filter when you tag new contacts as active deals. Whenever you open an advanced filter, it researches your data for the specified conditions, so it will automatically reflect any changes that you make. To close the filter, click the X here next to One Filter On. Now let's look at how to make an advanced filter with more than one condition. This time, I'll search for contacts tagged as active deals and included in the newsletter type. First, I need to pick the right verb for each condition. Remember, equals searches for exactly the values you list at the end of each sentence and nothing more or less. If I set up my first sentence with equals, tags equals active deals, the filter will show me those contacts that are just tagged with active deals. If a contact is tagged with active deals and something else, it won't appear in this filter. Similarly, if I wrote type equals newsletter, I would get the contacts that are only listed in the newsletter type. If the contact was in both the newsletter and buyer types, it wouldn't appear. That just doesn't work for this filter. I don't need to know if these contacts have more than one tag or type. I just want to know if they include the ones I'm looking for. For this reason, I'll set up both my sentences with contains. Tags contains active deals, and types contains newsletter. Now let's build the filter. Click the plus sign to open the pop-up window. Type a name for the new filter. Now we have to choose between all or any. This is asking you the question whether or not your statement is a both and statement or an either or statement. In other words, are you looking for the contacts with both the active deals tag and the newsletter type? Or are you looking for contacts either in the active deals tag or in the newsletter type? In this case, I'll be running a both and filter. I want the results that fit both conditions. Both and connects me to the all option, so I'll leave it on the default. Either or connects to the any option. Now I add my first condition. It's the same as in our first example. Tags contains active deals. Now I add my second condition. Type contains newsletter. You'll see that the right-hand column is now a drop-down menu. That's because a type can't be any word or phrase. You can only pick from the type options already set up in your CRM. I'll select newsletter from this list. Now click Save and Apply and navigate over to that filter on the left. These are the contacts that have both the active deals tag and the newsletter type. That's how you set up an advanced filter inside of ZipperAgent. For more information on our Keep in Touch solution, visit us online at zipperagent.com. Thanks for watching.